Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the anti-roll bar D bushes on this Toyota Prius. So to start off with, we're going to take the tire off. Right, there we go. The location for the D bush on this Toyota Prius is just under there. So this is the anti-roll bar, this one here, and there we go. I'm just pointing out the position for the D bush there. Right, so in order to remove this clamp here, we're going to remove 4 bolts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's going to apply plenty of WD-40 on these 4 bolts. 2, 3 and the 4th one there. Okay, there we go. That's the bolts out of the way. So I'm gonna spray a little bit WD-40 on this bush so that it pops out nicely and easily. There we go. That's the old bush. Right, now we need to put the new bush. So in order to put the new bush, we're gonna undo the anti-roll bar linkage, the bottom one here, just gonna point out. Okay, and in order to undo this one, it's a 17mm socket we're gonna be using on this nut. There we go. So by removing this bottom linkage, it's gonna give us the movement and the space so that we can put the new bush in. Apply plenty of WD-40 on it so that it slides in nicely. Right, there we go friends. So now that is in, I'm gonna secure the plate back on. There we go. And the 4th one. There we go. Just gonna tighten it now. Right, just gonna go over with the breakers bar to make sure that they're all nice and secure. Right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right friends, now that I've secured the D-bush, I'm gonna place the anti-roll bar drop link back into the anti-roll bar. There we go. Right, there we go friends. That's the anti-roll bar D-bush fitted in no time. There we go friends, I've done the left hand side, so now I'm gonna do the right hand side. This is our anti-roll bar. Okay, and then we're just gonna take you on this side, and we're just gonna point out with our breakers bar. So the location for the D-bush is just there. See, under there, this one here, you can see it clearly. Right, so that's what we're gonna replace. Right friends, I'm under the car now, and I'm just gonna show you the clamp which we need to undo. This clamp here needs undoing. So there are 2 bolts on this side, and then there are 2 bolts on the other side. They are 17mm bolts. So we're gonna undo the clamp, and then that's gonna give us the access to the D-bush. Before we undo the bolts, we'll apply plenty of WD-40 on these bolts so that they come off easy. No hesitation, plenty of WD-40. Right friends, just gonna undo the bolts now. There we go, that's one. This is the second one. Third one. And the fourth one. There we go friends, that's the clamp out of the way now. Friends, just gonna remove the D-bush now, so you can apply WD-40 on it, but in my case I don't have to. Just gonna pull out easy. There we go, that's how it pulls out. Okay, that's the old D-bush out of the way. In order to have access to the roll bar, we're gonna undo this linkage on this side, the bottom one, so that we can move it about. There we go friends, that's that out of the way. Now we can move it about, and it's gonna be much easier for us to fiddle with it. Just gonna put it in and then turn it around like that, and there we go. In order to put it to the right position, I had to push the D-bush with the breakers bar so that it goes to the right place. So now we're just gonna put the clamp back on. So the clamp goes in like this, just like that. There you go. See? That's the bracket back to the original place. So now we're just gonna use the breaker bar to go over with the torque, just to make sure that it's nicely secured. There we go. Never trust power tools. There we go. That's that done. There we go. There we go. That's good enough. Thank you very much for watching the video.